So I help consultants and coaches to get fully booked with their favorite clients by creating websites that reflect their personalities and clearly explain who they help and how they help them. So in the 4 steps to being memorable and intentional workshop, there's an action step to build a word bank based on words and phrases that you say all the time. Today, I'd like to encourage you to do some research into what your ideal client says, not necessarily what you say all the time. So give a think about whether you're talking to your clients in their own language, or if you're using jargon when you show up on social and on your website. So when you use your clients' words, they're going to hear their struggles, their pain points, and they're going to relate to those things almost immediately, right? Because it's something that they said. They're going to have that she's in my head sort of a feeling. So that's what we want, not in a manipulative way, but in a relational way. It's like people like to work with people that know them, that get them and understand what they're going through. So using their words to show that you understand and having that understanding behind them does just this. So I want you to take some time, do some research to figure out what those words are. And while you're doing that, also pay attention to the emotions that they're expressing. So how they want to feel when they're experiencing your brand while they're working with you and when they're done working with you, like how do they want to feel when that project is done? So to start, head to your Facebook or your LinkedIn groups where you know that your ideal client hangs out, where you're sort of posting authority posts and trying to get to know them through everyday interactions within the group. So maybe that's Instagram too. Read through the posts related to what you do. So like in Facebook, you can actually search within each group for terms that are related to your expertise. And then read those posts and just pay attention to the words that they use, what they're struggling with, the feelings that they're relating, like expressing in the posts that they type out. Don't go through these posts looking for people that you can actually help and then reach out to help them, but actually do this as a research project. So pay attention to the words that they use, what they're struggling with, and the feelings that they're expressing in these posts, okay? And if you understand and can relate to what they're expressing, and it's related to kind of how you help or who you help, then integrate that into the copy and the words that you use when you show up online and on your website. So basically, you want to go and do some research to let your client know that you get them and show that to them by using their words. There's your tip for today.